Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve online surveys with Typeform, easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, visit the Typeform website and create a free account if you don't have one. Once you're logged in, click on the Create button to start a new form. Choose a template that suits your survey goals, or start from scratch for a custom design. Begin by naming your survey clearly to reflect its purpose. Next, add the questions that will gather the information you need. Typeform offers various question types, like multiple choice, short text, and rating scales. Select a question type that best suits the information you want to collect. Use clear and concise wording for each question to avoid confusion. Incorporate conditional logic to tailor the survey experience based on respondents' answers. This allows for a more personalized and engaging interaction. Next, explore the design options available. Choose colors, fonts, and images that align with your brand for a professional look. You can also add a welcome screen to greet participants and explain the survey's purpose. Once your questions and design are complete, preview the survey to ensure everything flows smoothly. Make any necessary adjustments before sharing your survey. To share your survey, click on the Share button to get a link or embed code. Consider using social media or email to distribute your survey to your target audience. Monitor responses in real time through the Typeform dashboard. Analyze the data collected to find insights that can improve your offerings. Finally, consider revisiting your survey periodically to make adjustments based on feedback and changing needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.